सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। आज हमारे राम आ गए। सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, अनगिनत बलिदान, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए।
India started the new year 2024 on a spiritual high. The grand Ram Mandir rose at the Janambhoomi site after the top court cleared the way for the construction of the temple at Ayodhya.
ये मंदिर मात्र एक देव मंदिर नहीं है, ये भारत की दृष्टि का, भारत के दर्शन का, भारत के दिग्दर्शन का मंदिर है। ये राम के रूप में राष्ट्र चेतना का मंदिर है।
The Pran Pratishtha of the Ram Lala by Prime Minister Modi saw the participation of people from all walks of life, including celebrities, business leaders, and common people. From the spiritual warmth of the Mandir opening, the country plunged into the heat of national elections.
स्त्री शक्ति मुझे आशीर्वाद देने आई है, मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूं।
The world's largest and most fascinating democratic exercise that's long been an envy of the rest of the world for its scale, participation, energy, and precision.
कांग्रेस पार्टी को पूरा समर्थन दीजिए।
The Modi-led NDA returned to power, but with reduced numbers.
वंदे वंदे।
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा।
Jammu and Kashmir witnessed its first election in a decade, this time after the scrapping of Article 370 and its statehood.
दुनिया की कोई ताकत जम्मू कश्मीर में आर्टिकल 370 की वापसी नहीं करा सकती।
अगर बीजेपी ने आपको स्टेटहुड नहीं दिया, हम इंडिया गठबंधन का पूरा दम आपको स्टेटहुड दिलवाने में लगा देंगे।
And the voters in Naya Kashmir showed that the ballot has fairly and squarely won over the bullet.
नौजवानों का ये जुस्सा, बुजुर्गों के आंखों में शांति का संदेश, ये नया कश्मीर है। हम सबका मकसद जम्मू कश्मीर की तेज तरक्की है।
This was an election of many firsts after several troubled decades. Night campaigning returned to the valley.
this shows clearly the change in situation in Kashmir. Who wins or who loses, more important is how things appear to have changed.
The poll process was incident-free and the turnout shut down the critics and naysayers.
I, Omar Abdullah, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Minister for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir.
Smiling?
I think there is ample reason to smile. We've done well, better than we had expected. And as you said, I managed to retain both my seats by a good margin.
The JCB, which is actually trying to remove the silt as well as the mud here in the region where the landslide took place.
Wayanad in Kerala saw one of its worst tragedies. When landslides led to mass destruction and death in God's own country.
This is the place where the bridge collapsed, Chural Mala that it's called. And that's where Mundakai is. And from Mundakai, the landslide happens in a span of 4 hours. 3 landslides concurrently takes place, falls into this particular place called Chural Mala, collapsing the entire bridge, removing accessibility from the town area to the neighboring villages as well as several of those towns that are now washed away. A life that once was. That is exactly the remnants of it that you find here.
The country united in grief as Wayanad picked up pieces after the tragedy.
Protests across Kolkata against what is being seen as one of the most heinous crimes against women that this city has witnessed.
India united in outrage and protest as a young doctor was raped and murdered inside Kolkata's RG Kar hospital while on duty. Doctors and citizens held massive protests, demanding safety at work for healthcare givers.
हमको लड़की का जो ऊपर जो अत्याचार हुआ है, इसका हम कोई ना कोई सच को सामने लाएंगे, जैसे हुई हो। हम कोशिश करते रहेंगे। हमारा जिंदगी का यही एक लक्ष्य है और कोई कम नहीं है।
All of us who are standing over here, we've all were her childhood teachers. From class 5 to 12, she was in our school and she was a brilliant kid and also an obedient one. And we can never forget her. She was the best flower in our bouquet.
As curtains drew on the year 2024, India lost its architect of reforms. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh died at the age of 92.
I, Manmohan Singh, do swear in the name of God.
The gentle giant of Indian politics.
I came from outside the system. I'm wanting to become a part of the system. That transition takes time, but I think it is taking much smaller time.
Dr. Singh was Prime Minister for a decade, and his policy decisions made a lasting impact on India's economy and politics.
माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं हूँ मैं, तू मेरा शौक तो देख, मेरा इंतजार देख।
While the Indo-US nuclear deal propelled India onto the big league,
And India,
social welfare schemes such as the right to education and Manrega made a big social impact.
the service of the people of India is a great honor and a great privilege. And let me say, I have enjoyed every moment of it.
The market scaled new highs in 2024. During the course of the year, the BSE Sensex crossed the 80,000 landmark for the first time ever on July 3rd. The BSE benchmark index had taken just 137 trading sessions to rally from the 70,000 mark to 80,000. With the 85,000 mark too breached, it's now mission 90,000 for the stock market. The bull run is literally unstoppable. The Indian cricket team has had a mix of emotions in 2024. Fans enjoyed smiles, laughter, and drama. "2024 brought a lot of tears of joy for fans across the globe, those who support Team India. The year ended India's 17 years of waiting to win the T20 World Cup.
लेकिन आप लोगों ने शानदार अपने टीम स्पिरिट को भी दिखाया है, अपने टैलेंट को भी दिखाया है, और एक पेशेंस नजर आ रहा था। मैं देख रहा था कि पेशेंस था, तो हड़बड़ी नहीं थी, बड़ा आत्मविश्वास से भरा हुआ आप लोगों का। तो मेरी तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई है साथियों।
मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जो रोहित और इन सब लड़कों ने बहुत जो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट दिखाई है, जो नेवर से डाई एटीट्यूड दिखाई है, बहुत मैचेस में फाइनल में जाके भी वो बहुत मतलब इन लड़कों का बहुत क्रेडिट है इसमें।
जहाँ पर हमें वो विक्ट्री मिली, उसका मुझे बस एक पल जो था वो हमेशा याद रखना था और वो चखना था बस, क्योंकि उस पिच पर हम खेल के उस पिच पर जीते, क्योंकि हमने सब लोगों ने उस चीज़ का इतना वेट किया, इतना मेहनत किया। बहुत बार हमारे पास, बिल्कुल पास में आया था वर्ल्ड कप, बट हम आगे नहीं जा सके। लेकिन इस बार सब लोगों की वजह से हम उस चीज़ को हासिल कर सके। तो वो पिच मेरे लिए बहुत मतलब ये था कि उस पिच पे हमने वो जो भी हमने किया उस पिच पे किया।
ये दिन मेरे लिए बहुत हमेशा मेरे जहन में रहेगा। अगर आप मैच भी देखें, जिस तरीके से मैच जीते एंड में, जो सिचुएशन थी, हम लोगों ने एक एक बॉल को जिया एंड में, जहाँ से मैच पलटा, और हमारे अंदर क्या चल रहा था वो हम एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते। एक एक बॉल में कि मैच यहाँ जा रहा है, वहाँ जा रहा है। एक समय पे उम्मीद छूट चुकी थी, उसके बाद हार्दिक ने विकेट लिया, उसके बाद एक एक बॉल करके वो एनर्जी फिर बनी। तो मुझे खुशी इस बात की कि मैं इतने बड़े दिन में कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाया टीम के लिए एक मुश्किल समय के बाद। और वो पूरा दिन जैसे गया हमारा और जिस तरीके से हम जीते, जैसे मैंने बोला, वो मैं कभी नहीं भुला पाऊंगा।
This World Cup also marked the end of India's trio of Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja from the shortest format of the game. At just 18, Gukesh Dummaraju has made history as the youngest ever world chess champion, defeating the reigning champion Ding Liren in the decisive 14th game in Singapore.
We want to talk to you first about that winning moment we saw. You got very emotional. Tell us how you were feeling at the time.
Quite exciting and emotional. I did not expect to win that game, and when it happened, I got my emotions to pull.
Right. Well, you said you didn't expect to win the game. So how did you manage the stress? Your opponent won the first and 12th round. You won 3rd, 11th, 14th. Tell us which round was the most difficult.
I did not expect to win that final game because the position was heading towards it. And I thought I'll just keep pushing. I'll just keep trying to win. But objectively, it should end in a draw. But when he made a mistake, it was quite a nice moment. And the most difficult game for me was to handle, I think, after the losses after game 1 and game 12. But all those 3 nice wins were quite nice.
How important it is to maintain calm and be in control of the game?
It's not an easy job to maintain your composure throughout the games and the tournament. And I just try my best. I do some yoga and meditation, which really helps me a lot. And I think with some experience and with some mental toughness, I am able to handle these emotions quite well. It's not easy, but with some experiences, some good habits, I think it's very much possible.
The victory makes him only the second Indian to claim this prestigious title. Millions of Indians shed tears of joy and pride as the teary-eyed Gukesh rearranged his board and did a namaste to it before standing up to celebrate a massive win.